Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given the expression 2 minus 3 times 3 minus 2 and people solve it like this. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 times 3 minus 2 is 1 and their answer is minus 1, which is the wrong way to solve this type of problem. You have to follow order of operation, that is PEMDAS rule or PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, and division and multiplication have same priority from left to right. You have to solve, and similarly as addition and subtraction. So first we have given subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2. Now 2 minus 9 is minus 7. That is minus 2. That is minus 9. So what is the correct answer? Minus 9, not minus 1. I hope it's clear and you understand it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.